Hello everyone and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to have some fun with everyday objects and learn how to talk about what we have. It's a super useful lesson. So let's get started right away. First, let's look at some common items you might find around you, especially in a classroom or at your desk. Ready? Repeat after me. First up, we have a dictionary. Dictionary. Great. Next, a binder. Binder. This is for keeping your papers organized. Now, look at this. It's a chair. Chair. You're probably sitting on one right now. And this is a computer. Computer, we use it for so many things. Here we have a desk. Desk. This is where you work or study. Let's keep going. This is a piece of paper. Piece of paper. And what's this? It's a bag. Bag. We carry our things in it. Next, a book. Book? I love reading books. How about this little thing? It's an eraser. Eraser. It helps us fix our mistakes. And this is a notebook. Notebook. We write our notes in here. Finally, we have a pen, and a pencil. Pencil. Awesome job. You've just learned 12 new words. Now, let's practice using these words. We're going to meet my friend Ely. Let's see what she has in her bag. What does Ely have in the bag? Let's take a look. Ah, look. Ely has a book. She has a book. What else? She also has a binder. She also has a binder. Let's see what else is in there. Oh, Ely has an eraser. 2. Ely has an eraser. 2. So she has a book, a binder, and an eraser. Now, let's ask a question. Does Ely have a pen or a pencil in her bag? Let's check carefully. I see the book, the binder, and the eraser, but I don't see a pen or a pencil. So, what's the answer? No, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. She has a book, a binder, and an eraser, but she doesn't have a pen or a pencil. Great work. Let's try another one. Let's imagine what I have on my desk. What do I have on my desk? I have a computer. I have a computer. I also have a notebook. I also have a notebook. And I have a pen, too. I have a pen, too. Now, let's ask a question. Do I have a dictionary on my desk? Look closely. I have a computer, a notebook, and a pen. Do you see a dictionary? No, you don't. So the answer is no, I don't. No, I don't. You're getting so good at this. One last practice round. This time, it's about you. Look around you. What do you have? Do you have a pencil? If you do, you can say, yes, I do. I have a pencil. Do you have a chair? I bet you do. Yes, I do. I have a chair. How about a bag? Do you have a bag with you? Maybe you say, no, I don't. That's perfect. Practice asking and answering questions about the things you see. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. That's all for today's lesson. You did an amazing job learning new words and practicing how to use have and has. Keep reviewing the words. Dictionary, binder, chair, computer, desk, paper, bag, book, eraser, notebook, pen, and pencil. Try to make your own sentences. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. See you next time. Bye.